Hey, so I just posted about today in NQ, and someone asked for a trade setup. So I was thinking about doing this anyway, so I figured I'd draw it up. Um, this is a little bit of advanced structure that I'm just starting to grasp, but I will do my best to explain it. And feel free to ask if you have any questions in my Twitter, or if you want to join T-Trade's Discord community, which is free. I'm in there hanging out, and there's a bunch of other people even better than me, so it's worth the time. Anyway, so in queue, first thing I saw when waking up this morning, well, on the morning of the 30th, was that after the potential reversal yesterday, on Wednesday the 29th, what I was looking for was a close under this little consolidation here, right? So I'm not like the best at drawing these out yet, but what I was really looking for was this to be a little consolidation period. And then I was looking at this to be another one. And then having a potential smart money reversal appear. And this is basically MMXM stuff. This is ICT theory, right? Potential market maker sell model. So yesterday at 3 o'clock, we had an hourly candle that closed underneath that consolidation leg on the 1 hour. And right now I just focus on the 1 hour just to give myself one thing to look at. But hopefully I'll be expanding that to other time frames. For this structure, right? For the structure of the trade, I look at the 1 hour. I look at the daily for targets and stuff like that. But for the structure of the trade, I'm looking at 1 hour. All right. So as soon as that closed under, I knew that we had a potential sell model with this second leg of redistribution coming right here, which we did see today. So waking up, going back to that, waking up this morning around 7, I saw this order block here holding up. And that's exactly what I wanted to see. So there are two possibilities that I was thinking the morning might look like. The morning might come up here, BPR from this dip, and then come up into this fair value gap. At that point, I would be, looking for more, I guess, because it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. But since we had a close under this consolidation, my thought process was that we would have the second leg of redistribution here, and seeing this order block hold supported that, right? So another thing to consider is this candle here would be a mitigation block. So seeing this happen, there's concern still because you have like this high, right? That wasn't hit, this buy side target. However, it was hit on ES, I believe. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. There was news at 8:30. So seeing this structure, I mark out my areas on the 1 hour, just like this, order block, mitigation block. I don't usually put the consolidations, but then I'll drop down to the 5 minute, and we'll look at the actual entry on the 5 minute. So as you see, we have this mitigation block here transposed from the 1 hour, as well as the order block, right? When I took the trade, it was from a, so let me talk about the thought process, I guess. So I didn't take the trade all through here. I was waiting to see a change in state of delivery on the 5 minute, right? So a change in state of delivery would be some sort of liquidity tapped into or hit. Hitting this buy side target would be like really good, but having the SMT divergence is good as well. It's actually might be better, right? Because ES did take that high and NQ didn't. So this volatile candle here, which was the 8:30 news, went for buy side first, took a couple of these highs here, so that's great. And then immediately closed under the up close candle here. So that would create an order block on the 5 minute, right? So we have a 5 minute order block inside of that mitigation block and 1 hour order block. It's barely inside the mitigation block, but remember, this is on the hourly, so we're going to assume that we just have some wicks coming out here. So I entered when we got back. I actually entered getting back into this. I don't know. I wanted to get in. I was afraid of it taking off without me, so I got in a little early. I actually added another contract when it came up a little bit more. As respecting this order block was huge. Having a push down before 9:30 open was great too, and yeah, everything supported the idea. So it was really a really great trade. Now, as far as targets, this is where I could have done better probably, but being as this is still very new to me, trading based on this MMSM structure with the second leg of redistribution. I targeted this low here just because I wanted to, I guess, protect myself from the potential of this order block holding up here, which, as you can see, didn't happen. And even greater, we closed under these lows here. I think on the 4 hour, we could be heading into another move as well. So, that was the entry. 1 hour structure, 5 minute entry based on the overall structure on the 1 hour and the change in state of delivery from a volatile news event, which took buy side liquidity, right? Liquidity raid, create order block with a change in state of delivery, and watch it go. It was fun. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned a little something. Like I said, this is a little advanced. I'm still trying to figure out little nuances and stuff like that, but a lot of good little gems in that trade. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.